Hello and welcome to Mathematical Coaching Center. Today in this video, we'll be solving few problems related to angles in a circle. But before we begin, my name is Umang Khawas, and if you have any problem in learning mathematics, then consider subscribing this channel. So without any further ado, let's start. So let us first see the statement of the theorem with the help of which we will try to solve our problems. So the statement says that the angle subtended by an arc of a circle at the center is double the angle subtended by it at any point on the remaining part of the circle. So if there is a circle and we take a small arc AB, and if we draw the angle at the center by joining the points, okay, so this is the angle at the center. Now on the remaining part, okay, this is the remaining part, this was the arc and we are drawing an angle at the center. So in the remaining part, if we choose one point C and join AB with C and get an angle like this, okay, this is the angle at the remaining part of the circle, and this is on the remaining part, this also a point C, and we join this line here. Then the angle formed at the center, that is this angle here, okay, this is the angle at the center, will be double the angle at the remaining part of the circle. So this is the angle on the remaining part of the circle. So this is the angle in the remaining part of the circle. So we can write angle AOB, that is angle at center, is twice 2 into angle ACB, that is angle at the remaining part of the circle. So with the help of this theorem, we will be solving our problem. So let us see the first question. So in this question, it is given that in the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle and angle AOC is 160 degree. We need to find the value of X and Y. So this angle here is given as 160 degree and we need to find the value of X and Y. So let us start by writing what is given. So given angle AOC is 160 degree. Now from the diagram we can see that this angle AOC is the angle at the center. This is the angle formed at the center. So this is standing on this arc AC. Now on the remaining part we can see that this angle X is on the remaining part. So we'll be using that theorem which says angle AOC will be twice angle X. Okay, because this is the angle at the center and this is the angle at the circle or the circumference. So since angle at the center is equals to twice angle at the circle, so we get this. So putting the value of angle AOC as 160 degree, we will get something like this. So after cancellation, we'll get the value of X as 80 degree. So what is the value of X? It is 80 degree. So this is what we get. Now to find the value of Y, we need to know the angle onto this side, because this is on the remaining part, means this should be the arc. This should be the arc in which the angle at the center is drawn. So this is the angle that we should take to find the value of Y. So to find the value of this, we will take the help of angle AOC. We know that angle AOC, that is this angle here, plus reflex angle AOC, that is the angle onto this side, when we add this will give us a complete angle, and the value of complete angle is 360 degree. So putting the value of angle AOC, we have 160 plus reflex angle AOC is 360 degree. Taking 160 onto this side, we have the value of reflex angle AOC as 360 minus 160. So what is 360 minus 160? It is 200. Therefore, the value of reflex angle AOC is 200. So now we can see that this is the angle at the center and this is the angle at the circle. So we can write reflex angle AOC, that is this angle here, is twice angle Y. So this is the angle at the center and this is the angle at the circle. So with the same reason we can write, since angle at the center is equals to twice angle at the circle. So putting the value, we get 200 degree is equals to 2 into Y. So after cancellation we get the value of Y as 100. So y is equals to 100. So now the value of x and y is x is 80 and the value of y is 100. Okay, so this is how we solve this problem using that theorem. So let us see one more question. So in this question, it is given that in the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle, OAB and OCB are 30 degree and 40 degree respectively, and we need to find the value of angle AOC. So let's start by writing what is given in the question. So angle OAB is 30 degree. That means if you see in the figure that this angle is angle OAB, and OCB is 40 degree, and in the figure angle OCB is this angle here, that is 40 degree. Now what we will do is, to solve this problem, we will join O and B. So now after joining O and B, we get two triangles, that is triangle OAB and OBC. So these are two triangles that we get, triangle OAB and OBC. So this is triangle OAB and this is triangle OBC, and both of these triangles are isosceles triangle. Why? Because in the first triangle OA will be equals to OB, that means two sides are equal, so it is an isosceles triangle. Again in the next triangle we see that OC is equals to OB, okay, and again two sides are equal in this triangle, so it is an isosceles triangle. So why are these two line segments equal? It's because it is the radius of the same circle. All the lines that we are talking about here is the radius of the same circle, so they have to be equal. Now in an isosceles triangle we have a result that says angle opposite to equal sides are equal. So this is the angle opposite to OB, and this angle here will be opposite to OA, and we know that OB is equals to OA. That means this angle will be equal to the angle formed here, okay, that is angle OBA, that is this angle here, will be equals to angle OAB, that is this angle here, and that will be equals to 30 degree. Similarly, we see that this is the angle opposite to OB, and the angle opposite to OC will be the angle formed here, and OB is equals to OC, that means both the angles should also be equal. So OBC, that is this angle here, OBC, that is this angle here, will be equals to OCB, that is this angle here, and that will be equal to 40 degree. So that will be equal to 40 degree. So we got the values of two angles, that is this is 30 and this is 40 degree. Now what we will do is, we will find the measurement of the whole angle, that is ABC. Okay, ABC is this whole angle here, and it is clear from the diagram that this angle, whole angle ACB, is the sum of the two angles that we get here. Okay, so that will be equal to angle OBA and OBC, and the measurement of OBA is 30 and OBC is 40 degree, so the total will be 70 degree. So the measurement of angle ABC is 70 degree. Now we know that this angle AOC is the angle at the center, this angle is the angle at the center, and this angle ABC is the angle at the circle. So angle AOC, that is this angle at center, will be twice angle ABC. ABC is the angle at the circle. So since angle at the center is twice the angle at the circle, so we get this. So we know the value of angle ABC as 70 degree. Putting the value of ABC, we get 2 into 70, that will give us 140 degree. Therefore the value of angle AOC is 140 degree. So the measurement of angle AOC is 140 degree. So this is how we solve this problem. So let us see one final example so that you understand this theorem properly. So in this question it is given that in the adjoining figure, O is the center of the circle and angle AOC is 130 degree. We need to find the value of angle ABC. So as always, we will start by writing given. So given is angle AOC is 130 degree, that is this angle is 130 degree, and we need to find the value of angle ABC. Okay, we need to find the value of this angle ABC. Now to find the value of angle ABC, we must know this angle onto the side. Okay, not this angle. Okay, no, we'll not be using angle AOC, rather we'll be using reflex angle AOC. Why? Because this angle ABC should be in the remaining parts. Okay, so if this is the remaining part, this cent angle at the center should be onto this side, so we'll be taking the help of reflex angle AOC. So to find the value of angle reflex angle AOC, we know that adding AOC and reflex angle AOC, okay, this is reflex angle AOC and angle AOC, will get a complete angle, that is 360 degree. So putting the value of AOC, we get 130 equals to 360. So taking 130 onto the side, we get 360 minus 130, and the value of reflex angle AOC is 230 degree. So now we know the value of reflex angle AOC, that is the angle at the center. We know that the angle at the center, that is reflex angle AOC, will be twice the angle at the circle. So this is the angle at the center and this is the angle at the circle. So since angle at the center is twice the angle at the circle, so we have this result. So putting the value of reflex angle AOC, we have 230 degree is equals to twice into angle ABC. So after cancellation, we get angle ABC as 115 degree. So therefore, the value of angle ABC is 115 degree. So this is how you solve this kind of problem. So I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching till the end. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and to stay updated with our channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a very good day.